Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this makeup look. It is super glowy and really nice. It's a really nice kind of pop of color, and it was inspired by this look I saw on Instagram by Olga Dan. She's a makeup artist. I'm gonna pop up the photo right here. She did a purple look, but I wanted to go on a different color route, I guess you can say, and I chose yellow, as you can see. Also because I have this yellow turtleneck, and I bought this turtleneck specifically to be like, okay, I'm gonna do a makeup look inspired by yellow. So this is what I came up with, and it's really nice. It has some faux freckles going on. This is my first time actually doing faux freckles on myself. I think I did okay for the end result. If you want to see how I recreated this look in yellow, go ahead and keep watching. All right, I already have my base. I have my foundation, I have my highlighter and blush. I will probably perfect a little bit of the skin later on after I do the eyes. And I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I have no idea how I'm gonna go about doing this look. I'm just looking at the picture right here, and I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see how this all turns out. Hopefully it turns out so I can actually post this video. I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent with my videos, especially now with this whole quarantine situation. I'm trying to, make use of my time here at home. I have a ring light. Shout out to my husband because he came through ordering this ring light. So like I said, I have my eyebrows on. I have my skin on. This look also has freckles, so I am gonna try to attempt to do some faux freckles. Your girl doesn't have freckles naturally, so I'm gonna just faux them out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take some concealer, and I am actually gonna carve out my brows. Okay, so I got the hair out of the way. Her brows are like more bushier than mine. My brow hairs just don't stand up how I want them to. But this is as good as it's gonna get. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with this shimmer color. This is a Makeup Forever Artist Color Shadow in D716. This is a Cosette Velvet Eyeshadow in Neobium. Next up is this yellow in this artist palette, super duper old. I need this yellow, this next yellow to be like boom. So I'm actually gonna take the smaller brush and blend. Just gonna let that concealer dry and work with underneath. This is the next yellow I'm using. This is another Makeup Forever Artist Color Shadow in M402. I think I should have dragged it. Should I have done it a little over? Maybe. I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion, and I'm actually gonna put that on my lid. Something is happening, guys. It's happening. Nice, nice. Okay, I think all that's left is like a black smoky liner and some mascara and lashes. And then we'll work on the blush, freckles, and lips. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 100 Whatever Black. gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes, and I'm going to put some mascara on, top and bottom, and then I'll put a lash on. Cool. Next I'm gonna do the blush and faux freckles. I personally have not tried faux freckles on myself. I've tried them on like my clients and my models for photo shoots before, but I've never tried it on myself. So this is gonna be a first for me. The only freckles I've ever tried, the only freckles I've ever tried on were from Instagram filters. So this is gonna be my first like faux freckle attempt. This model has like mad freckles, so I don't know if I'm gonna go like that ham with the freckles. I don't know if I'm gonna go all over my face with the freckles. I'm gonna try to make them look as realistic as possible. I already have blush on, but the more the merrier for this look. I am going to highlight now, and our walls are like really thin in this apartment. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, like I said. For the lip, this is the Artist Color Pencil in Boundless Berry. So I'm just gonna gloss the lip. Now for the freckles, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this freckle vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. I'm just gonna see how this works. So this is the final look, guys. I think I did pretty good with the faux freckles. I do really like this look. I think this look is really cool. It's simple, but like a really nice pop of color with the eyes and a nice pop of color with the lip. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in my next videos. I do really like doing these like inspired by looks. I guess I can kind of make that into a series or something. So if you guys have any photos, you can message me or DM me on Instagram. I can kind of do inspired by looks, whether it's like exactly inspired by or like kind of like what I did today and just kind of flip it and do a different color. Yeah, leave comments down below on what you want to see in my next videos. I am trying to be consistent with my content here on my YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.